Hello friends, good day to you all. I welcome you once again to Lasujeni Big Stock. This channel is created in order to share with you some ways whereby I make money online personally, and also it is created to warn you or to raise a warning flag on some fraudulent online investments that are very common in our days, in order for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. So what I'm about to share with you in this video is how to make money online with the future trade platform. Start earning daily income. How to earn daily income. You know, as our financial obligation increases on daily basis, that is the reason why there is a need for multiple sources of income. So this is one of the ways whereby you can generate source of income, whereby you can make money online. Start earning daily income on your investments with the future trade. Several people do ask me that what can I do, what business can I do online that is very sustainable, that I can make money from. So I am presenting to you one of the ways whereby I personally make money. So this video is all about financial education. So I'm just giving financial education based on what I personally have been experiencing. Okay, so but before I go further into this video, once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasujeni Big Stock, and for that reason it is very important for you to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update of the next financial education on how to make money. Okay, and if you have any question concerning this video or any of the videos or content on Lasujeni Big Stock, then you can contact me through my email address, call me on phone, chat me up on WhatsApp, and also join our Telegram channel for frequent updates on financial education. All right, so once again, what we are considering is how to start any daily income on your investment with the future trade. So quickly, let me take you to the platform. So this is the future trade, thefuturetrade.com. So you need to be very careful with this URL, because there is a particular platform that they are just like a copy, like an imitation of this. So they are not real. They are not the same company with the future trade. So this is the logo of the future trade, and this is their URL. You need to be very careful whenever you are coming to this website. All right, so what are the things that they are doing here, and how can we generate our daily income here? Okay, they deals with financial with forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. As we all know that forex trading, it requires a lot of capital, it requires technical know-how, it requires tools to get the right to know the direction of the market, to know what is going to do, so that they can help you predict the right movement, so that you won't lose your money in short. So forex trading, it involves a lot of things in which many people they can't afford to get. All right, and such is the case for cryptocurrency trading. They are very volatile, and that is the nature of cryptocurrency. All crypto assets are very volatile. So it is the duty of professionals, of experts in this field, to take advantage, to trade on your behalf and make sure that they are in profit. Okay, so for that reason, it is better for you to leverage on those people that is unprofessional on this field, rather than risking your money when you are about to trade manually. So that is the bridge that future trade are here to do. So they are here to bridge the gap. Okay, so you too, you can also trade forex by leveraging on the platform of the future trade. You can trade cryptocurrency by leveraging on the platform of future trade. So there are several investment packages in future trade. Actually, this is not my first video on it. I've done series of videos to show you how legit they are, because personally I've been following this company since let's say is now a year that I personally I have known them, and they are very, very straightforward and very, very transparent in their operations. All right, so now let me show you the investment packages that are available, so that you can go for any of the one depending on your own financial strength. Okay, so we have starter, we have banker, we have financer, and we have entrepreneur. Okay, and in starter, the minimum investment is $50, while the maximum is $4,999, and it lasts for 200 days. You earn 1.4% daily. The next one is banker. It's for 180 days. You earn 1.6% daily, and the investment is between $5,000 to $24,999. And the next one is financer. Duration is 160 days. Daily profit is 1.8, and you earn 1.8%, and the investment is between $25,000 to $49,999 And the last one is entrepreneur. Duration is 150 days, and daily profit is 2% of your capital, and you earn the investment is between $50,000 and above. So these are the 4 investment packages in future trade. So there are some things to take cognizance of. Okay, the first thing here is that the minimum withdrawal value is $15, which means whenever you have up to $15 in your account, you can withdraw. Whenever you have earned $15, you can withdraw it. All right, the next one is you should have an active account to make any transactions, because there are several people whereby they are a networker, but they have never they don't have an active account, but because of their network, their downlines might have deposited, and they might have win a lot of referral commissions. So but for them to withdraw, they must have an active account, which is very, very good for the sustainability of the platform and of the system. Okay, the next one here is there are 2% admin charges on revenue wallet to downline revenue wallet transfer. So whenever you are transferring funds to your downline, maybe for activation of a package, there will be 2% admin charges for the running cost of the system. Okay, so all this shows that this platform is very, very transparent. So they will let you know what you are going to encounter before you even start. Unlike many of the investment platforms out there, it is when you are about to withdraw, then you will know there are some certain rules that are unknown to you, that are not disclosed to you before you start. But for this company, the future trade, everything have been made clear, crystal clear, before you even join. Revenue wallet payout day every Thursday. Daily profit will be credited from Monday to Friday. Referral and binary commission will be credited to your service wallet. So there are several wallets there, as in there are 2 wallets. We have revenue wallet and service wallet. There are 2% admin charges on service wallet to revenue wallet. Admin charges of 6% are levied on all the withdrawals. Revenue wallet balance can be used to activate the accounts. Daily profit will be credited to your revenue wallet. Service wallet payout every day. It's mandatory to have one right hand and one left direct referral to gain binary income. So all these things, they shows that they are very, very transparent in their operation. So what you just need to do is to go through the platform once again. You are also required to do your due diligence research before you join any of the online investments that have been explained to you. But due to my own, so you should be responsible for your action. Okay, you should be responsible for your action. So just make sure that you check well to see if it is what you can give a try. But as for me, this is one of the ways whereby I've been making money online, and it is very, very genuine and sustainable to me. So you can contact them on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube. So that is how it goes. So this is where I'm going to end this video for today. So don't forget that it is very, very compulsory, very, very important rather, to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more updates on how you can make money online. Alright, see the next video. Okay, before I end, if after you have done your own due diligence research and you observe that it is what you can give a try, for that reason I will be putting in the description box of this video the link to get started, to get registered, to join my team and earn residual income and earn from my network spillover. Okay, so this is where I'm going to stop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye bye for now.